I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by saving work and confirming Windows is up to date. This prevents data loss. Next, open Task Manager by right-clicking Start or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S so you can control Explorer. In Task Manager, expand the Processes list and find Windows Explorer. This process handles the Taskbar UI. Once located, you'll restart it to rebuild the taskbar. Make sure to keep Task Manager open while you perform the restart so you can observe results and repeat if needed. Select Windows Explorer and click Restart to refresh the shell. This often returns the taskbar immediately. If Restart is unavailable, choose End Task and then File Run New Task. Type Explorer. EXE and press Enter to relaunch it. Once Explorer is running, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar to verify visibility and alignment settings. Make sure taskbar behaviors aren't auto-hidden and that multiple displays settings match your setup, because hidden or off-screen taskbars are common reasons it seems missing. If the taskbar still doesn't appear after restarting Explorer and adjusting settings, reboot the PC to apply pending changes. This clears transient issues. Next, run an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files that can break the shell. If problems persist, create a new user account to see if the issue is profile-specific. Migrating to a fresh profile often resolves configuration corruption. If none of these work, note the exact symptoms and seek targeted support while avoiding registry edits unless guided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.